Okay, dude, I need you to do something.
What is it?
Flap your arms around.
Like so?
Yes. Now hold still. OMG.
Yeah, dude, let's check it out.
Oh my god! Oh, hell no!
No, I mean check bacon, not the car.
Right.
Oh my god, bacon. If he's lying there, that means we just got an awesome video to upload. This is going to hit 1 million views in no time. Oh, I think he's coming. Over here.
I don't think that's him.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Oh no.
Oh, hell
I don't think that's a good sign. Don't worry, we just need to pick bacon up. Then we'll deal with the Chinese later.
Sorry, bro.
Maybe that's him.
Are you fucking blind?
I don't know. Maybe he went out in the sun for too long.
no! What the fuck was that?
Maybe that's him.
Bruh.
Are you serious right now? I don't know. He might have been a werewolf secretly.
I like the cut
Hey, I think he likes you. I don't think so.
Oh shit! Help me!
Bacon, where are you? Over here.
Whoa. Let me see what you got in there, boy. Nice try, terrorist. I'm taking you in.
It's okay. These are props for our funny videos.